In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview audio and video files in Adobe Bridge. If you manage a lot of media, Bridge is a great hub for quickly checking clips and sound files without opening a full editor. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn on the right panel, navigate to your files, and play them back smoothly. Start by opening Adobe Bridge on your computer. You can launch it from your applications or via the Creative Cloud desktop app if you have it installed. When Bridge opens, you'll see panels for folders, content thumbnails, and metadata. Your screen may look slightly different depending on your workspace, but don't worry, we're only using built-in panels that are available in every layout. At the top of the screen, click the Window menu in the menu bar. Bridge organizes everything into panels, and the Window menu is where you show or hide them. We want the Preview panel, which is designed to display a larger view of whatever file you've selected. Enable Preview by choosing Preview from the Window menu. If it's already checked, you're good to go. You should now see the preview panel appear, usually on the right. You can drag the edges of that panel to make it bigger, which is helpful for video playback. The larger you make it, the easier it is to judge focus, framing, or audio waveforms at a glance. Next, browse to an audio or video file you want to check. Use the Folders panel to navigate to the right location. Then look through the Content panel where your files appear as thumbnails or a list. Bridge supports common formats like MP3, WAV, MP4, and MOV, among others. If your thumbnails are small, use the slider at the bottom to make them larger so clips are easier to identify. Now click on the file you want to preview. As soon as it's selected, the preview panel updates to show it with playback controls below. For video, you'll get play, pause, and a scrub bar so you can jump to any moment. For audio, you'll see similar controls and may see a waveform depending on the format. You can drag across the timeline to skim quickly, or press the spacebar to toggle a larger, distraction-free view and play right away. If you don't hear sound, check your system volume and ensure the clip isn't muted. Some uncommon codecs may not preview perfectly. In that case, you can still use Bridge to locate the file and open it in your preferred player or editor. That's it. Open Bridge, show the preview panel, browse to your media, and click to play. With this setup, you can vet footage and audio fast without leaving Bridge.